Have you ever found yourself ogling all the cool celebrity looks, but then thought, even if I knew where she got it, it would be way too expensive? Well, you're probably right, but not today. In this video, I have recreated 8 super cool summer celebrity looks for less. I'll show you exactly how and where to get the very same vibe on a budget. Best of all, these are easy, wearable looks that we can all nail. Let's do this. First is Victoria Beckham in an effortlessly slouchy trouser and white tee. Ladies, this is how to do effortless cool. It's one of my favorite looks. Slouchy comfort top to bottom, but pulled together. She's probably wearing her own eponymous line, which as you know is very, very pricey. I have recreated the look with my favorite linen trouser from J. Crew. You may remember that I modeled these for my 4th of July outfit. You can see they're the same cool slouchy vibe at a fraction of the price. Add a simple white tee from your own closet, a pair of black Wayfair sunnies. I even found a fun gold watch from Michael Kors to mimic her probably very expensive one. And it ties in the entire look. For the shoes, ladies, it looks like she's wearing a heel here, which of course you can do to bump it up a bit. But for casual, I personally love it with a white sneaker. Option 2, if like me, you love the relaxed trouser look, I personally love this vest and trouser ensemble. This woman is wearing a slightly dressier version that looks a little bit more appropriate for an office summer outfit. For a bumped up summer casual vibe, I went to J. Crew again. They do a very nice job, and I chose linen in the color flax. Wear it with the coordinating trouser or the short. The choice is yours. I would wear this anywhere that I want a relaxed but slightly elevated look. I'm thinking a leisurely weekend, window shopping up in Beverly Hills, going to lunch. This is where you want a hint of affluence without looking like you're trying too hard, right? Jada, Pinkett. I love the freshness of white and this beautiful poppy color. What sets this one apart is the beautiful pop of cornflower blue shoes. Instead of white skinny jeans, which to me reads a little bit dated, I swapped them in for a straight-legged white cotton pant. I found a very similar poppy colored tie-waist top and a laid-back boyfriend's jacket to polish it off. Instead of a heel, which you can certainly do, I swapped it in for a ballet flat to make it a little more wearable for summer when you just want to be casual and around town. Kate Bosworth. I took a little inspiration from this stunning black and white look Kate is wearing. Notice how just adding the camel bag takes a black and white ensemble to new heights. For a chic but casual summer look, I chose a breathable cotton poplin maxi from Tucker Nut. This is easy to wear all summer long, ladies. It is elasticized at the waist to give you waist definition, but still the comfort that we want for summer. I chose a white sandal with a braided detail. To bump up the look, you can swap in a wedge, a heeled slide, or a sneaker for a sportier look. Her sunglasses look like Saint Laurent to me, which are $300 plus. I found the same look from Anthropologie. This is a fun way to get the look without investing hundreds of dollars into a sunglass that you may only wear a few times. Finally, I polished it off with a coup d'etat, which is this classic camel satchel. Kate Spade on sale, $119. It has a removable strap so you can carry it exactly as she's doing, or put the strap on and carry it as a crossbody. Jasmine Toux. I'm not really sure who this lady is, but I love, love, love her quintessential summer look. So versatile, so chic, so feminine. Perfectly paired with a simple off-the-shoulder gray striped top and nude flats. I found a similar eyelet skirt, but I also love what the model is wearing as well. I found a very similar top in light blue stripe. Option 2, I am loving this fresh blue and white button-up top. Polish it off with a must-have summer neutral sandal and you're done. Like my beloved Olivia Palermo, you know I love her style. You can never go wrong with a red shoe, ever. Whether it is a flat, a sandal, a heel, or a slide. It is a closet staple IMO. Jeans and a crisp white shirt. Classic but somewhat unremarkable until you add the red shoe. Go into your closet, grab your favorite pair of jeans, a white shirt, and add a red shoe, and you are done. To keep it fresh and summery, I found a red Mary Jane slingback from Naturalizer of all places. Naturalizer has always met super comfortable, but in my opinion, they were normally really frumpy. Not in this case. These are cool, and the Mary Jane trend is still super huge, so you look adorable and you're on trend. Alternatively, mix it up with a simple white summer shirt dress, red flat, and you look like a celebrity. Street style, of course. Okay, Victoria Beckham. I love a lot of her style. Here she's wearing a print dress with a statement color shoe. This is a bit more ladylike, but I pulled it because the concept is elevating a simple print ensemble with a statement shoe in a super cool color. Here I have found a touch more relaxed with a soft floral print midi, and for our fun color, I added with this apple green slingback. It's unexpected, yet it totally works because it's complementing, not competing with the print. And I feel that this is a beautiful, soft, gorgeous, summery look that just makes you smile. Taylor Swift, my girl and yours. We love us some Taylor. This is a cinch to recreate. You probably have it in your closet right now. A white cotton shirt, black denim short, accented with your summer staples, saddle brown flat, and a coordinating bag. Here's one of my favorite classic white shirts from J. Crew. Excellent quality, very well priced, and a slouchy black denim short. Notice that I chose a pair of shorts that don't have the fray that she's wearing. I personally prefer a cleaner edge on my shorts. In my opinion, I feel that a fray looks a little bit junky, but really it's just a personal choice. If you love the fray, you do you. For her shoes and bag, which really elevate this outfit, I can't tell what brand she's wearing. I can just tell you both are designer and they're probably very expensive. I found a classic saddle brown Seychelles slide from Zappos and a coordinating bag that looks so similar to hers, but y'all, it is $45 from Mango, and I think this looks great. Taylor again. This is so easy to recreate and even easier to wear. Black jersey, jogger jumpsuit, skinny belt, and a pair of rubber sole buckle slides with gold hardware for just a little glam. Her sandals look like Todd's to me, which generally run anywhere from $700 to $1,200, but I have something better for you. I found a very similar jogger jumpsuit from Sweaty Betty, a thin leather belt from Banana Republic, and almost identical rubber sole bucket slides from Cole Haan. On sale, y'all. $99. If you love them, grab them. These will be a summer staple for you, I promise. Cat eye sunnies, a gold rope chain, hoops, and you are done. So many more cool celebrity looks in my next video. Celebrity looks for less, outfit ideas from our favorite celebrities. Have a great weekend, ladies, and I will see you Tuesday.